So maybe you have never used Jamboard before. I'm going to do just a quick little tutorial to show you around a little bit. Jamboard is Google's whiteboard app. So I use it in math a lot, especially with distance learning when you're away from me, because it gives me a way to see your whiteboard work or see how you are working out your math problems. Your Jamboard that you're filling out, there's several different slides that you're going to go between. And to get to different slides, it's at the top. So I've got my cursor up here at the top. You can go forward. And as I go forward, you can see that I have nothing on the slides. They are advancing. Or I can go backwards. So you can go between slides that way. Next up is you're going to want to put things on your slide. So the menu or the toolbar is over here on your left. Right now I have the pointer selected or the mouse selected, and that just lets me click things around Jamboard. But I've got some other features. I can use the pen, and if I click on that tiny little arrow, that gives me options. So I can choose what color I want. I can use what my pen looks like. So I'm going to show you right now. I have the actual pen in red, and that's what it looks like. I can do the marker. Maybe I'll choose the blue, and that's what it looks like. Or I can choose, this is, I think, the highlighter, and you can see that what it looks like. And I can also choose a paintbrush. So that's, to me, looks actually even more like the highlighter. So those are just if you want to draw, and you can choose your color. So for you, using your touch screen, if you want to work out a math problem, that would be very easy to use that feature. This guy is the eraser, so if you do happen to make a mistake, which we all do as jungle tigers, we're going to make mistakes all the time, you can erase with that eraser. This is a sticky note, so you might notice when you open your Jamboard that I have some sticky notes here and there. To make a word or to do any type of text, a larger or small amount of text, sticky notes are great. You can choose whatever color you want, and you can put anything you want in them, and you can see when I add that, I can make it all kinds of sizes, and I can move it anywhere I want, even to maybe label or give a title. If you want to add an image, this should look familiar. This is the image icon. You can upload something that you have in your Chromebook or on your drive, or if you can also search for something. So let's say that I want to search for an ice cream cone. Well, I didn't spell it correctly, but I think Google knew what I was going for. So you can choose, that one looks good to me, and select. And it does put my image in there. I can put my image anywhere I want on the screen. I can make it small, or I can make it big. This guy right here will let me turn it around. And there's some other features. If I want to make another one, I can duplicate it or change what it's in front of or behind. I've got some shapes to choose from, so the circle, or you can choose some other shapes to put them on there. So maybe I want to make a diamond again. If I add it, I can make it big or small, and I can twirl it around however I want. This guy is a text box. So if I do want to write, type in a good amount or text, there's a choice up here between sizes, so you can make it very large in your text box. I can change the color. I've got it too big, so let's try inside my text box. Now I can write something. And you can change the color. You can change it how it's lined up. Down here is if we were working on it together, which we might on a Google Meet, it's just a way for me to point something out to you, like a laser pen, but then it goes away. So let me know if you have any questions about Jamboard.